We have to paint this whole door, okay? And get one brush out of it. You want to use this brush? Okay, use this brush. And let me open this. Okay, how do we open this? Oh, it's green color. It will look really good. Nice. Okay, let us try. Come on, start painting. Come on. The whole thing. Come on. Yeah. Now start painting. Yeah, very good. That's very nice. Ooh. Maybe do it from the very top and take only a little bit. Yeah. And do it very slowly. Yeah, very nice. Very good. Maybe we have to do probably like double coat. We have to do it twice. Yeah, I think that is fine. Very good. Okay, I'll also do it along with you. See, make sure you don't waste the paint, okay? Hmm?